36 equals, well, whatever 2.5 divided by the tangent of 36 is. So let's do this, everybody. 2.5 divided by tangent of 36. 36 tangent equals 3.44. 3.44 is that x right there. This, where's my red pen? This right here, which, going back to this prism here, that's the apothem here, which, why do we do that? Why do we do that? We're trying to find the area of this yellow pentagon by using the area equals 1/2 little a, which I've got it now, 3.44 times big P. So let's go. Let's find the area of this yellow pentagon. So let's do 3.44 times, 3.44 times 25, and I take half of it, so I'm going to divide by 2. Oh, 43. That's a nice, sweet little number. 43. The area of one of these is 43. No, that's not your answer. That is not surface area. Surface area, let's go back here, it's going to be your lateral area, all the blue rectangles, which is 75, plus 2 areas of the base, because I got a top and I got a bottom. So 43 is the area of one of the pentagons. I need to multiply by 2 because I got top and bottom. So we got 75 plus 2 times 43, that's going to be 86. And if you add 75, the lateral area, blue, plus 86, the bases, yellow, you're going to get a total surface area of 161 centimeters squared. All right, folks. Let's do another one, shall we? Let's do another one. Actually, I think I'm just going to jump into cylinders. Yeah, let's jump into cylinders, everybody. Cylinders, cans of soup. Go ahead and draw a cylinder. This is super easy. If you don't know how to draw a cylinder, make an oval. 2 straight lines. And, get ready for it. You got your can of soup. Got your can of pop. Can of Pringles, everybody. Cylinder. A couple things with a cylinder. You always need a radius. There's your R value. Every cylinder has a height. So there's your H. Once again, the book likes to call this the altitude. I like to call it the height, but just be aware of altitude in the book. And a cylinder has 2 bases. Everybody, a 2-base cylinder. I think you already know what they are. It's the top base and the bottom base. Now these are always circles, everybody. Here's your base. Here's your base. And this curved surface around the outside of the can of pop, this is called your lateral face. There's really only one lateral face, everybody. Okay, so we have a base on top, it's a circle. We got a base on bottom, it's a circle, and then we have this curved lateral face, height right here, radius right there. Okay, well, let me give you the 2 equations. We'll do a problem and we'll call it a day, everybody. Let me give you the lateral area, and I'm going to give you the surface area of a cylinder. Lateral area is just this curved surface going around. That's a bad demonstration, but hopefully you understand what I'm seeing there. You know, this is the back side as well. Alright, lateral area. Everybody, it's an equation that you're going to need on the end of this chapter's quiz, and you can actually use your notes on this quiz. I'm going to remind you as the chapter goes on, but you can actually use your notes that you're taking right now on the quiz at the end of this chapter. So it'll be the last quiz of the year. Here it is, everybody. Lateral area is pi dh. Pi We're familiar with that. Use the pi button on your calculator, 3.14. D is diameter, and h is the height. Surface area is going to be the lateral area plus 2 bases. It's 2 bases because you got a top base and you got a bottom base. So surface area is going to be the lateral area, which I just gave you above, pi dh, plus the area of 2 bases. Now, one of these bases is a circle. Anybody know how to find the area of a circle? It's one of the most famous equations in all of mathematics. It's pi r squared. That's the area of one of the bases. But we got 2, so the 2 comes down as well. This is the equation for surface area of a cylinder. It's pi dh, lateral area, plus 2 pi r squared. 2, one for top, one for bottom. Okay, example 2. I'd like you to find the lateral area and surface area of the cylinder. And I'd like you to round to the nearest tenth. The book is going to specify that, folks. The book is going to specify that. Okay, let's draw a cylinder, everybody. Beep, 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 beep. Let's go. 14 feet. I'm going to give you the height. The height is always perpendicular to the base, by the way. That's the little right angle symbol right there. You might see these in the book. And we're going to say that the height is 18 feet, which is the exact same thing as over here. You could have put the 18 feet right here if you wanted to. Once again, they might have this in the book. That's it. That's all the information you need, excuse me, folks. So let's get started. Lateral area. Use the equation. Pi d h. I know the height is 18. Diameter, I should just put 14 right here. That's the radius, everybody. If the radius is 14, the diameter has to be twice that. How about 28? Alright. Lateral area. Go ahead and take these, punch them into your calculator. So I'm going to do 28 times 18. What does that give you? That's 504, everybody. Now multiply that by pi equals. See if I can move this so the glare isn't there. I'm getting 1,583 point. We got to round to the tenths, huh? How about 1,583.4? Because that 6 is going to kick that 3 up to a 4. Units are going to be feet squared. Perfect. Surface area. It's going to be the lateral area plus 2 bases. And because I already had the lateral area, we just figured that out. Surface area is going to be 1,583.4 plus 2 bases. And the 2 bases are 2 pi r squared. 2 pi radius squared. Okay. That's it, folks. Punch it out. I'm going to punch this out first. I think I'm going to do the 14 squared. So 14 times 14, 196. I'm going to multiply that by pi. And I'm going to multiply it by 2. If I didn't multiply it by 2, that would just be one base. So that's 1,231.5. I'm going to add that to the lateral area, 1583.4. And I don't know why I cleared it. That looks about right. Everybody's surface area. If you were to paint every surface, the top, the bottom, and the curved side, you're going to get 2,814.9 feet squared. Folks, your homework can be found on page 849. Let's do 1 through 7 and 54 to 56. Please Show your work. I do look at your emails that you send me. I do take points off if you're just giving the answers. Pictures are a great thing. Draw pictures. And as always, make sure I get this homework by midnight. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and we'll see you on Friday. So long, folks.